startup coming to meet us.
So the next speaker is Nicolas. Some of you might know him, so it's our guy with flip-flop. And he was the first Sigfox operator out of France. And today he'll present what is the Sensatag solution. So let's give him a one hand to welcoming on stage, Nicolas.
Hey, Nick. Sorry, here's your microphone, here's your clicker, and here's your stage.
Hi guys, welcome. Well, as I said, the guys with the flip-flops. Yeah, that's me from South Africa, so don't blame me. So, Sensatag, an asset tracking company. Quite a few people have said it before. If you're serious about software, you really need to make your own hardware. So we decided to go down that difficult road, and this is what we're going to tell you. So, Nicholas, I started in 2013 as the first Sigfox operator outside of France. And now we've moved on to try to get more solutions into the market. So we've been breaking down barriers. So when we started, there was no low-power wide area network, no LoRa, no Sigfox. So we built it. Devices were too expensive. We decided to build low-cost devices. Then the devices on the market were underperforming. So we've built a best-in-class device, so best Sigfox antenna you can get out of a tiny device. And now we're moving on to provide clean data for our partners who integrate with us. So just the journey we're taking you down is, this is what most of our customers know. They're in warehouses, they're in factories, and they know absolutely everything, to the millisecond, to the centimeter. What happens is we start to panic because all these pallets and plastic containers and assets in the warehouse enter the real world. So the next step is finding a way to get the same information in the warehouse in this real world. So the main things we're helping our customers with that are losing is returnable transport items, things in warehouses going out and should be coming back. So this is the main thing. So the thing is, do we have a solution? I wouldn't be here if we didn't, right? So the clicker, let me introduce you guys, Sensatag. Of course, this isn't the product. The product is even nicer. It's Sensatag. We've produced over 25,000 of them. It's a very simple, affordable asset tracker. Monitoring temperature, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, geolocation, and it gives our customers the insights they need. So, our customer, one of the journeys, Albert Heijn, Ahold Delhaize, biggest supermarket in Benelux. They've got a lot of assets. One of them, 220,000 roll cages, and in a lot of different places. So, the place they know, what we were discussing, is their fully automated distribution center. They know this is live. You don't see any people here because this is a working factory. Yeah? There are no people. So they need 100% trust in the system, their automated system. But they're losing pallets, they're losing containers. We don't do this alone. We provide the connectivity, but we need our partners with platforms, over 40 different partners. In this case, we used Sherlock, good name, and we helped them track and monitor these roll cages out of the automated systems, or out of the automated distribution centers. So the findings, just in a nutshell, the big supermarkets did not trust the system. So the roll cages were not being stolen, but they were being held back by the XL supermarkets. So even in this relatively small proof of concept with like 1,000 cages, we saw over 50% of them being held back in supermarkets. The savings we will be providing Albert Heijn in deploying the system on their roll cages is over 2 million euros a year in not purchasing the new systems, the new roll cages. It's super, super easy. It's out of the factory, plug and play, no battery, no screws, nothing. You stick it on 3M tape or screws, you tag it, and you view it on any of your dashboards. Okay, I'm not crazy. We just do things differently. We try to create the best-in-class device. It's possible to put your own firmware on it. We customize antenna, optimize it to the asset, and we make sure that our partners have and will always remain relevant in the value chain. My time is up. I'm not looking to compete. I hope we all make it. And we're live all over the world. And that's it. Thank you very much. And I hope to see you all in the Sensatag journey, guys. Thanks.
Thanks, Nick.